Hey guys, this is a quick video on how to get into the website for my dad's funeral on February 2nd in order to view the live event. You can actually go to your phone or your browser and go to Google, do Island Memorial Funeral Home, and it's probably Memorial. It's gonna be the first name up. You'll click on it, and you can either search for my dad here and see where it's at in the second page. There is Luther, or you can actually search for the name yourself in the recent obituaries section, and his name will come up and his obituary will be here. For the live video, we will have to scroll down, and the live video will be in this space when it starts. So you will have to scroll down after you read the obituary. You will scroll down and view the live, and I can actually show you guys an example of a recent one, um, and where there was a live video, and you'll see the live for Jade was actually underneath her obituary. So you'll be able to click on it. Probably will be live. You click on it, and you can actually watch the viewing, watch the service live as it happened. Again, quickly, it's a quick search for Island Memorial on Google. Find it, and then you can actually do a quick search of my dad's name. That's it right here, Luis, and it will pop up, and you'll be able to scroll down and actually view the live video on that day. Thank you, and thank you for your support.